Well, guys, I got the brand new, well, okay, actually, I've had these for a couple weeks now, and I've kind of just now getting around to talking about them. My first Yeezy Slide. Yeah, this was from the, I guess, the final drop of the Yeezys, and as such, we had a little bit of a bonus included in our package. Now, my 700s didn't get these. It's a pin, so you can show everybody how anti-Semitic you are. That's creepy as shit. So yeah, hey, you're giving money to these people. The bullies get over here and they say, hey, we'll let you go if you pay us off. And honestly, that's how the ADL works. I've been saying that for years before everybody else started to. I was there first. So, Ye gave us these, and we've seen him sporting these in sizes that were way too small, leaving a lot of questions. What size is good for me? Well, I typically am true to size 10. In Yeezys, it seems like I have to go 10 and a half. In a Slide, you don't get a half size, so I went up to 11. And you know what? The Granit colorway, it looks all right. It's a very chunky sandal of sorts. Yeah, compared to my daily worn rainbows, it almost looks like a boot by contrast. And I think that some of you might find that this fits your style, if you're a weirdo. So, I mean, I don't really see this working out for me. To be honest with you, it kind of pinches on one of them. The right foot pinches a little bit. The left side, okay. The cushion, what is this, solid EVA? It's like a croc just about. Yeah, it's a foam all around. I'm not expecting ultra amazing durability out of these. In fact, the foam runner kind of looks to me like there's a little bit more engineering going into it. $70 for some foam that got pooped out of a machine into a mold. And, you know, it's not crazy comfortable by any means. And honestly, I'm not even sure if you ordered a size 11 and you're true to size 10 that they would fit you. There's just so much inconsistency. I feel that I'm getting pinched on the right foot but not the left. 70 bucks gets you this and a pen so you cannot be canceled.
You just watched a video from my son. He's about 40 and lives in my basement, ladies. So subscriber and notify the bell for ringing.
Okay, I said what you wanted me to say. Now do the goddamn dishes.